Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 10th A, B, C and D. Our chapter is 6, History of Pakistan 2. Today we will discuss the topic from page number 16, 17. It is about Benazir government. The first time period of Benazir, 1988 to 1990. General elections were held in 1988 in Pakistan. People Party leader Benazir Bhutto was elected Pakistan Islamic World first woman prime minister. So we are discussing the Benazir Bhutto government. First time Benazir ruled from December 1988 to August 1990. In 1988, there was general election in Pakistan. Pakistan People Party leader Benazir Bhutto was elected as a first woman prime minister, and in Islamic world, it was also first prime minister. During the first government, 1988 to 1990, she became co-chairperson of Pakistan People Party along with her mother. She won the election 1988, became the first lady Muslim prime minister. She was the co-chairperson of People Party, and during the election 1998, she won the election and first Muslim prime minister and first lady Pakistan prime minister. She was welcomed by the people at the end of dictatorship. She promised to restore the political freedom and introducing social and health reform. When she came in the government, she promised that she will revive again, she will start the system of political freedom and social and health reform should be introduced. She restarted the unions. She spread the electricity across the rural areas of Pakistan. Unemployment and inflation increased during this time period. Her government failed to deal with the growing drug and abuse problem. During the Benazir government, she said she will start social and health programs. She will restart the union. She will spread electricity in rural areas. During its period, unemployment increased, inflation also increased. Her government failed to deal with the issues of drug and abuse problems. That is the Benazir picture. The dissolution of the Balochistan Assembly. During the Benazir government, the Chief Minister of Balochistan, Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali, had just not gained the vote of confidence from the Balochistan Assembly in 1988 that the Benazir government dismissed it. What happened? When the Benazir government started, the Chief Minister of Balochistan, Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali, have not the vote of confidence from the Balochistan Assembly. When the government came, the Chief Minister of Balochistan have to gain the vote of confidence from the Balochistan Assembly, but it was not gained till the 1988, and the Benazir government dismissed. Balochistan High Court take this issue and declared it unconstitutional and restored the house. When this issue was taken to the court said that it is unconstitutional, and again they say that the house have to start the work. Presidential election. Ghulam Ishaq Khan won the presidential election against Nawabzada Nasrullah Khan in December 1988 and took the oath for the office. During its Benazir time period, presidential election was held. Ghulam Ishaq Khan won the president election against Nawabzada Nasrullah Khan. Ghulam Ishaq Khan became the president of Pakistan in December 1988 and took the oath as the president of Pakistan. Pakistan rejoins Commonwealth during the Benazir time period. They again rejoined Commonwealth after separation. Pakistan was separated in 1972 from Commonwealth. He rejoined it in 1989 as a member of Commonwealth. Foreign policy. Benazir government foreign policy adopted non-confrontation policy with India. Benazir adopted the policy of non-confrontation policy with India. Their friendship relationship when Rajiv Gandhi visited Pakistan to participate in Fourth SALT conference, Benazir Bhutto rejoined hands for establishing good relation with it. So Benazir started a policy of friendship. When Rajiv came in Fourth SALT conference, Benazir have rejoined hands for establishing good relationship with India. Social welfare. During the Benazir government, they started social welfare program, people works program for development and social welfare of the country. For providing employment to the public, a department placement bureau was set up. Thousands of people got employment through it. Benazir said, "We will start welfare program for the common people." For it, they have established a department placement bureau. Through this department, many people have achieved employment. The dismissal of Benazir Bhutto government. During first government, Benazir first time ruled Pakistan 1988 to 1990. His government was dismissed. Ghulam Ishaq Khan using the power of 58 2B. That was a law according to which president can dismiss the prime minister. So Ghulam Ishaq Khan used this law and dismissed the Benazir government. Benazir government was dismissed because of the corruption, and Ghulam Ishaq Khan dissolved the National Assembly on 6 August 1990, and in this way government of Benazir was dismissed. Corruption was imposed as it that the government is doing corruption. Her first government lasted for about 20 months. So government was dissolved. Again, Benazir government came into government second time in 1930, 1993 to 1996. Again, Benazir Bhutto was elected as the Prime Minister of Pakistan for the second time in October 1993. Again, Benazir said that they will start the development programs in the second time period. Construction of Karachi flyover bridge and Lahore bypass was started. In the second government, which the Benazir was selected 1993 to 96, they said that they will start development program. They started Karachi flyover bridge and Lahore bypass was started during the second government. Plan for farmers and women. Benazir have also started plans for farmers and women. They started a Kisan Bank to provide loans to farmer. They also started a national tractor scheme to provide tractor to the farmer. Social and health policies was also introduced, especially for women. Women police station was also established and courts were set up to provide legal facilities to all the people and especially to women. And these programs started from the Benazir government in the second time period. Women police station make it was established to make it easier for women to comfortably share their issues and get the justice they need. Benazir started women police station so the women can easily discuss their issues and get the justice. This is the right of women, and because as a woman president, a woman prime minister, uh, Benazir Bhutto want to do some work for the women. Then they started eighth 5-year plan. When the Pakistan created, they started 5-year plan scheme. So eighth plan was started during the Benazir government. Benazir started this 5-year plan, due to which there was a fast progress, there was a rapid development and prosperity in Pakistan. Foreign visits and the Kashmir issue. Benazir also visited foreign countries and Kashmir issue was also discussed. Mrs. Bhutto made successful visit to Iran and Turkey. She gained moral support of these countries on the Kashmir issue. During the Benazir government, Benazir also visited Benazir Bhutto also visits foreign countries, especially Iran and Turkey. Iran and Turkey as a moral support, gave the moral support on the Kashmir issue. Many agreements was done in different fields and signed different agreements with different countries. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, the government of Chief Minister Pir Sabir Shah of Muslim League and Assembly were dissolved in 1994 in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Aftab Ahmed Sherpa of the People Party was elected as a chief minister. During Benazir government in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, there was the government of Muslim League, and this was dissolved in 1994. And Pir Sabir Shah was dissolved, and Aftab Ahmed Sherpa of the People Party was elected as the chief minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Dismissal of the government of Benazir Bhutto. Benazir government second government was also dissolved, also dismissed. Different matters were discussed between President Farooq Ahmad Laghari and Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto, but these matters was not dissolved, not improved, and Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari dismissed the government of Benazir because of the corruption using law of 58 to be in the constitution. There was a law 58 to be according to which the president can dismiss the government and prime minister can be dismissed, and in this way Farooq Ahmad Khan Laghari as a as a president of Pakistan using the law 58 to be dismissed the government of Benazir Bhutto. And second government of Benazir Bhutto was also dissolved and ruled for 3 years this time. During second time period, this work was done by Benazir Bhutto. She tried to improve the status of women. She made police stations. She made banks for women. She tried to make women courts. She started lady health worker program. She faced again opposition by Muslim League. Muslim League Noon also gave opposition. Nawaz Sharif did train march from Karachi to Peshawar in 1996 against Benazir government. She also faced clashes with her mother on the leadership of Pakistan People Party. Mir Murtaza was also assassinated during her government. Might he won seat again? Bhutto contested in 1993 election. Her government was scandalized for corruption. Her government was dismissed by F.A. Laghari for corruption and nepotism. Thank you. These were the important events and some work given by Benazir government. Thank you.